Remove the spindle screws. Shift spindle down by 1 hole, tighten the screws securely. Home the machine and zero out all coordinates. Install the 3mm tool and zero the Z-axis to the table. Select the T3X code and click Start. Swap to the 4mm tool and re-zero to the table. Select the T4X code and click Start. Select the T4Y code and click Start. Install the 3mm tool and zero the Z-axis to the table. Select the T3Y code and click Start. Install the 4mm tool and zero the Z-axis to the table. Select and run the T4 table code. Move the spindle up by 1 mounting hole. Tighten the screws securely. Install the 4mm calibration plug gauge. Mount the ATC into the pre-drilled holes. Do not fully tighten them yet. Place the calibration fixture into the first pocket. Adjust the spindle until the gauge passes through the fixture smoothly. Lift the Z-axis for clearance. Move to the 5th pocket. Verify that the gauge fits smoothly in this position as well. Enter the settings menu. Enter the machine X coordinate into X pocket 1. Enter the machine Y coordinate into Y pocket 1. Now fully tighten all mounting screws. Connect the data cable. In settings, adjust the closing angle for the dust cover. Test the open and close cycle to ensure it works properly. Gradually lower the spindle. Stop once the in-1 signal light turns on. Subtract 12 from the current machine Z and set it as Z engage. Add 18 to the current machine Z and set it as Z traverse. Verify the tool change functionality. Pre-thread the M6 screw into the T-nut. Slide the T-nut into the T-slot. Install the dust removal unit. Connect the dust removal unit to the ATC. Align the spindle nut with the brush. Ensure the nut makes contact with the brush. Input the current XY machine coordinates into the dust removal coordinate settings. Secure the dust shoe base using M6 screws. Install the dust shoe onto the spindle. Fine-tune the position until the dust shoe is precisely centered on the mount. Input the current XYZ machine coordinates into the dust shoe coordinate settings. Enable the dust shoe dust removal and probing functions. Y-axis mounted automatic tool change sequence demonstration.